In this video, I want to share a home business you can be proud of while making lots of money too. If you have been in the home business industry for a while, or even if you're just starting to check it out, I'm sure you have found that some of the so-called opportunities are things you just wouldn't be comfortable sharing with your mother or friends, no matter how much money you might make. So stick with me till the end, because I found something that's really different. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I first started in the home business industry over 30 years ago. And remember, that was before the internet was around. Well, I've done it full time for more than 20 years now, and I still love it. It gives me the time freedom and the money freedom to do the things I really want to do whenever I want to do them. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job. I'm building a business I'm really proud of, and I'll bet you would feel the same. Let me tell you a little about it. But first, if you are not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So this online home business has been my #1 recommended income stream for several years, and here's why. First, it's super simple. Anyone can do it. No previous experience or skills are needed. It's a unique opportunity in what's called affiliate marketing. It takes very little time, just a few hours a week, and because it's all online and mostly automated, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if it's 3 in the morning. It comes with a high converting sales funnel and marketing system that really leverages your time. You can build this business from wherever you want to be. I even do it while I'm out sailing. As for the income, well, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day thanks to our Quick Start training. You can get paid big commissions every Thursday by direct deposit, and it pays out passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. I really love that. This passive income can set you free. I can show you how you can build a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. We provide what I have found to be the best training in the home business industry. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold live interactive Zoom calls daily, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, I will mentor you personally. Making money in a home business is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. On top of that, and here's what I'm really proud of, is this is the home business you can feel really good about. See, our company donates a portion of its profits to an organization called Feed My Starving Children. Company profits, nothing out of my pocket. The company just sent out an update over the weekend. Get this, we contributed 13,365 meals to feed hungry kids over the last 2 months alone. 13,365. Wow. Well, I know you would be proud of that too. So, to learn more about this home business and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.